Hello guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader and I am a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today I decided, as always, to show you how to make millions on lines. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Let me draw it for you. So you can clearly understand the direction right now. According to the master bounce strategy, I'm going to open buy position here. I have already drawn this for you as the schemes. So let's try to do this. The first trade is closed with profit. We have $284 on the account. Let's continue. We have invested $150 on the buy position. As you can see, the price was touching the support line zone. We failed to break it through. And according to the pullback reaction, we started growing really nicely, and we have earned this money that we received right now on the account. Fine, let's continue. Let's find another currency pair. And for now, we have $420 on the account. Let me change my investment to $250 and open sell position. So I have opened right now. So this one was profitable. We have 652 bucks, and we are ready to continue. Let me check out the CAD. What do we have here? First of all, we have the formation, the candle formation of the head and shoulders. Now we are forming the second shoulder, the right one. I have drawn for you Fibonacci extension, but according to the Fibonacci extension, we're exactly at the place at the resistance zone. So we're highly likely to drop right now. Or give me a second, please. Give me a second. Let me switch my investment to $350 and open buy position here, because according to the divergence in the volumes, we're highly likely to start growing right now, and that's why I have opened exactly buy position. So it's closed. We have $974 more. Let's move forward. By the way, guys, while you are watching this video, don't forget to open the description to it and subscribe to my private TG, where you will get access to the best trading signals ever, analytics and educational materials that will help you to become a professional, experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online. So don't waste your time. Do this right now and be with me. Link in the description. So here, what do we have? The price started receiving pullback reaction from the strong support line zone. Now we're receiving opposite pullback reaction from the downgoing trend line. Let me draw for you the borders of the flat channel. I have drawn for you the direction which we expect right now. So this one is also done. We have $1,388 on the account. To get some more, now we have opened, as you can see, buy position. because price has already touched the bottom line of the flat channel, which corresponds to a very strong support line zone, and from here we are receiving a very nice pullback reaction, and price is going really nice. So here I have open sell position because we have a candle pattern named 3 crows, 3 big red candle, bearish one in a row, which are confirming us that the next movement will be also highly likely down going, and there is no sense to open anymore any buy position right now because we will just catch the knife. That's why we're just following the trend, and we have opened sell positions in continuation of the current drop. And that's it. One more profitable trade, $2,400, guys. So, oh my goodness, just look at this result. We have turned our, how many? $100, $150 into $2,400 just within like 12 minutes. If you want to have the same kind of results, oh my goodness, it's absolutely possible, and all you need for the purpose is just right now open the description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, where you'll get best offers ever to reach such kind of trading. That's why kiss you all, see you all in my perfect team, and bye bye.